Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and well. I'm 𝗙𝗲𝗆𝗆 back again with a new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to generate free return label on Amazon to return Amazon item. This video is special for Amazon to eBay dropshippers those are facing return issues on eBay from their customers. Either if you are an Amazon customer and want to return item to Amazon to get full refund, then keep watching this video. Before walking ahead, I have an humble request to all of you guys. If you are new to our YouTube channel, then please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get more informative videos in the future. Now let's start. This is our Amazon to eBay dropshipping item, which we are going to process for a return on Amazon for our eBay customer. Copy the buyer name, paste and click on search orders. Now click on order details. Click on return or replace items. Check the first box. Choose reason why you want to return your item. Select appropriate reason. I am going to select item defective or doesn't work. Put the honest comment. That's fine. Click on continue. Now you can select your desired refund payment method and click on continue. Here are many options, but I would prefer UPS Dropoff. Now confirm your return label. Now click on print label and instructions. That's it. Return label is here now. Now what we have to do is save it in picture format. Here we can see we don't have picture format. Here is just all files. Now we have another way to save it in picture format. Open your snipping tool. Yes, I talk about snipping tool. I know many ones from you know it already, but I would like to define it for those who don't know. It's a software which used to take screenshots from your PC screens. You don't have to install it especially. It's in Windows part which you can easily search from your Windows search bar. Click on new to take new screenshot. Now press Ctrl S to save it. Now here is the thing that if you are just a normal customer, then you are done. You can print this return label and dispatch your returnable item. And if you are an Amazon to eBay dropshipper, then go ahead with me. Open your return label in Paint. Now click on selection button and make selection around Amazon text. Remove it. and save it. Your return label is ready to send your customer. I'm using 𝗙𝗲𝗄𝗲 servers to manage eBay dropshipping accounts. So I have to cut that return label picture and paste it into the server. Now send this return label to the customer. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then please like, share and comment on our video. We will meet soon in the next video with a new topic. Till take care of yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz.